Kia ora everyone, welcome to POLYNESIA TV. My name is Moenau Rivera and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will share with you my experience on how to achieve a goal. I'm super excited about this topic and I hope you are too, as I will go through the different steps to achieve what you want the most in life. Let me share with you what I have learned. How to achieve a goal. Well, the reason why we're talking about goals is because in life, we need to have goals. We need to have them so what we get what we want. We can set goals for anything. You can set a goal to be fluent in Tahitian, for example, or to be the best Tahitian dancer or the best Tahitian drummer. You can set a goal for being fit or in shape, or you can set a goal for your dance school to win the biggest Tahitian dance competition in the world. Whatever your reason is, you will need to have a goal. If not, it stays a dream. A goal is different than a dream. A dream stays a wish, but a goal will set you to the finish line where you will see the end result. Before sharing with you the 3 essential steps to achieve a goal, it is important for you to understand that the first thing you need to do is to know where you are headed. But that's not it. You also need to know where you are right now. It's like a map, a roadmap. A roadmap works only if there's a starting point and a finish line. You cannot get where you want to go if you don't know where you are right now. The way to set your goal is to have a reverse engineer plan. You will have to start with the finish line first. I know it is weird to understand, but it works. I've done it and the results were amazing. Let's go over the 3 steps to achieve a goal. Step number 1, the end result, the finish line. The finish line is the end result. It is what you want to accomplish. You will need to ask yourself, what is the goal I want to achieve? What is the end result I want? What is the ultimate goal? What do I really want? So you will have to sit down and write it down. Brainstorm your dreams and thoughts and write it down. Now, that's not it. You've got to be very, very specific, very detailed. You've got to have a very clear goal. It is very important. If you say, I want to speak Tahitian, that is not a specific goal. You've got to be even more specific by saying, I want to speak Tahitian fluently in 6 months. This is more specific. Step number 2, your roadmap. This is where you will draw your roadmap in details. You will have to brainstorm and ask yourself a bunch of questions. You have your goal at the top of the chart. That's your end result. Then you need to ask yourself, what do I need to do? What do I need to focus on? What skill do I need to upgrade? If you look at what you're capable of doing right now, it will take you only to where you are right now. If you want to achieve a bigger goal, you will need to upgrade your mental capacity, learn more, be better to become more. You will have to specify what you need to do in steps on a calendar, per year, per month, per day. Your goal calendar will hold you accountable. If you're not hitting your daily goal, you will not hit your weekly goal. You will not hit your yearly goal. Ask yourself, what am I doing today to hit that goal? This step is very important. Make a list of everything you could possibly think of that you will have to do to achieve your goal. You will write down all the guideposts or the mile markers that will help you to get to the finish line. If we use the same example for learning Tahitian, you will need to write down how much time do you have per day, per week to learn. What is your best way of learning? Is it through books, online, or with someone? Do I need to call someone? Ask yourself all these questions. You may need multiple mini steps to get into your finish line. Another important part is that you've got to set a deadline for each mini step. It's a must. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and timely. Step number 3, the starting point, the beginning. This is where you will need to be self-aware and be honest with yourself. You will need to ask yourself, what do I currently have that is going to help me with my journey to achieve my goal? What are the resources I have? What are my skills? What do I know already? What do I not know? What are my current habits? Do I need to change them to make room for my learning journey? Ask yourself all these questions. After you've done all these steps, you will be able to start your journey to your new goal. The idea here is that the roadmap will make the journey effective. It will help you stay focused and determined. You know now the 3 steps to achieve a goal. My last advice to you will be that if you want to achieve what you really want, set your goal, write it down on a paper, visualize it, see yourself at the finish line, live it every single day. Share it to everyone, share with the world. The world will hold you accountable. Now, it's my turn to ask you, what is your goal in life? Please share with me. I really want to know. I'll be checking your comments in the section below. I hope this video was helpful to you, and I'm encouraging you to pursue your dreams. That's it for today, and I hope you like this video, and if you do, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, as I will be posting a video each week. And if you have any questions, feel free to send us your comments down below. Te rā Yahua here mā maruru te wharur a me parheana. Nana.